I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared. What? I think that one bird has a knife. Look what I got! I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared. Yeah, make a gay joke, I guess. I'm scared of ferries. I am. I'm just something about having my vehicle on a boat. Like my Subaru Pearl, I had her on a ferry once in the Outer Banks, and my heart was kind of doing what it's gonna do in a minute. I can feel it. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna put Buffy on a boat. Shit. I don't know why I decided to cook right before this. I didn't think I was gonna get on, but we're on. Oh my God, I'm doing this for you guys. Get in trouble. Let's go eat our taters. Oh my God, what are the odds of us? Oh look. Ow. We got such a good spot actually, because everybody's like flocking over here, but we don't have to move. Check this out. What? I just washed it yesterday. I've been parked here for 30 minutes. Monsters. Don't break. I think that one bird has a knife. I don't know what is happening here. Some of the reviews said this parking lot was a little dangerous with homeless people. No. Dang. So, yes, I was hoping that I could get the ingredients to cook some fajitas. He just pooped right in front of me. These are well-fed birds. Like, anyway, yeah, I was gonna make a fajita, but this is not a super Walmart. I haven't seen a regular Walmart in a very long time. So now I don't know what we're doing for dinner. But I do have some candy. So shout out to Mr. Beast. You should check him out. He's a really small channel. Give him a follow, you know. But also a North Carolina native. I don't know if Carl is, but it's just made in North Carolina. Made in Illinois? Jimmy.
Witness.
Fasting food to be a less than ideal witness.
People often ask me, Mr. Wrong. Time. I need to think about all my regrets. And you put a gun to my head.
Interesting. I wonder if they're like really sour. Also, the show Your Honor with Bryan Cranston. It's a good show. That's really good. Crazy sounds, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay. Good morning. Oh, Lord. How's my hair? This is like some 80s looking. We survived another night. They're quiet now. They're like, oh, she's got the camera. We don't want the YouTubers thinking. You can still kind of hear them. They all night. I thought for sure, like, maybe they go to sleep like the rest of us. Not these birds. I think these are geeked. I think they're geeked seagulls. They're skiing seagulls, you know? And all night I kept hearing, like, and I'm like, I don't think that's someone tapping my car. I think they're pooing on my car. And I just washed it 2 days ago. Ooh. Also, hi, if you're new to the channel, I need to keep remembering to do this. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mimi Benfield. I live in my van, Buffy, she's a little messy now, full time, and we're traveling America and seeing what she's got. And you know what she's got? A lot of birds that poop everywhere. Like, my God. In there. It. Hi, do you guys have time for a pedicure walk-in?
Yeah. Come in.
Mimi?
Yeah, come in.
Yes.
Come in now?
Yeah, I should be there in like 5 or 10 minutes.
Okay, see that.
All right, great, thanks. Ay, Dios. It's chilly. 63 degrees in July. Brr. I hope I don't make a mess. Okay. You gotta put it in the middle? I don't even know. 1, 2. I was so scared. Now, is it tapioca, I think? Or maybe they're brown sugar, I don't know. Ooh. Oh my God, that's delightful. I didn't get any of the little bobas though. Let me see. a little treat. Hey, we survived another night. I ended up coming back to Walmart after I went to Planet Fitness, after I got my toesies done. And I just kind of took it easy. I've been a little tired, but you know what? Your girl's got all kinds of energy today. So I'm gonna run into Walmart, pick up some stuff, and then we're gonna go island hopping and go do a little hike. This spot was way better. I actually moved. I'm by the garden center and the, here, I'll show you. See, I'm by the auto place and the garden center's right there. Much more quiet. I was parked way down there next to the Safeway. This spot didn't have any murder birds and way less weird dudes walking around my van. Still weird dudes walking around my van, but way less. So, 3 stars, Walmart, 3 stars. All right, let's go hike.
I don't really care about common, I have to be quite frank. I care about the President of the United States.
Okay. I'm parked at a bit of a slant. Can you tell? Can you see the water? I don't even know if you could quite, hold on, like, well, now I'm leaning too far. And I'm in a good mood for some reason. That was a lot of incline. Ooh, do I look sweaty? Do I look sexy? Let's go somewhere else.
What do you drive on? What van?
Look what I got! Look what I got! I'm so excited! Oh, it's so expensive. I've been wanting to wait until I got monetized, which, by the way, subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. But I've been wanting to wait until I got monetized to get one of these. It's like an award, a reward. But I finally broke down because I have had to avoid quite a few remote areas because I didn't have signal. And I have family back home that if they're not able to call me in case something happens, they're disabled, I couldn't live with myself. So I've really been debating about it for honestly the past like 3 months. I've been debating, should I just do it? Should I just do it? I literally have next to no income right now. I'm gonna make another video about that, explaining my money situation to you guys. But right now, I think what we're gonna do, I don't remember the name of the town we're in. Oh, Mount Vernon, Washington, that's where we are. I'm gonna head over to the Planet Fitness, get my fitness in, get a shower, and just chill out for the rest of the day, figure out how to work this guy and whether or not I need any more like cords or attachments. So we're gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. This vlog's gonna be weird to edit because it's like 3 days. But yes, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, please like. It would really help out the channel. It would really help me afford this Starlink. I love every single one of you. I'm just so excited. I can't even focus. Oh, I got a treat.